How to fix lag and Wi-Fi error in Brawl Stars. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can fix lag and Wi-Fi error on Brawl Stars application. So without any delay, let's start with the video. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So let's start. So the first thing is you need to make sure you have a stable internet connection. For that, you may just use any of the internet connection Wi-Fi speed checking application. Just go into that application and check if you have a good internet connection or not. Or if you don't have, you may just go to your settings and go to Wi-Fi and connections. After that, just click on the Wi-Fi and switch to a Wi-Fi network by adding a network, and switch to a Wi-Fi that is more stable and has a greater internet speed. If that is also not the problem, then what you can do is simply long press on that application. After that, simply tap on the eye icon. After doing so, you will be able to see storage option. Just go to storage, tap on care cache, and see if that fixes your issue or not. If that doesn't fix your issue, you may also update the app if any kind of update is available. And the last thing you can do is just restart your device, and I'm sure one of the method is gonna work for you and fix your Wi-Fi and lag error on your Brawl Stars. So therefore, just follow this method and you should be able to do it successfully. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.